Show money where your mouth is, pushing where the crowd is. Baby, put your hands up, we didn't settle lines in. See us in the papers, we don't look like common, but it's a no-brainer, we already run it. I'ma take my time with it, show you what you got with it. Ooh. If you know who you are, then you already know who to call. And if you really want it all, meet me on the weekend. Put your money where your mouth is, put your my crowd is. Baby, put your hands up, we didn't have time to line this. See us in the papers, we don't look like common, it's a no-brainer, we already run it. Make a lot of noise, make a lot of noise. The girls make the boys go crazy, and the girls make the boys go crazy. I'ma take my time with it, show you what you got with it.
Can't kill what I've become. I scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone. There's nothing I can do or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling. Feelings I can't let go. Oh, the thunder keeps calling. The raindrops won't stop falling. Falling down in a hole. That love lies in my head, 'cause I fell for all you said. Too easy. Dark clouds won't let me forget. I don't know why I let it get to me. It get to me. 'Cause I think of you every time it rains. One drop is all it takes. And it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, it's pouring, keeps pouring and pouring. I'm screaming at the ceiling. Every word's a twisted feeling. Feelings I can't let go. And the thunder keeps calling. The raindrops won't stop falling. Falling down in a hole. I don't know why I let it get to me. It get
Are we doing, guys? All good? Oh, look at that, front run my zone. Right, let's close this worst entry Bitcoin trade. Can you believe our gold? Wow. My zone just below. Run. 400 pips. Bitcoin bouncing too. Everything is perfect for that long run. Wow. Guys, that gold there, I think, is going to run all the way up to the target I had. I'd be very surprised if it doesn't, which would be $120 move. Wow. Which would have been, if we'd have got in there, we'd have had to have been below the 618, 5 to 1. You just cannot jump into that there now. What is wrong? 4218. What have we got on here today, guys? Did any of you take the trades this morning? You still in the short from yesterday on Bitcoin? Guys, some of you know I'm trying to do some of these videos on YouTube and I'm getting very minimal views. Like I'm talking anywhere between 10 and 30 views on a video. I put one on today saying get rich overnight, and afterwards the harsh reality is at 850 views. Yeah, no, what I'm saying, mate, is that it's surprising what people will look at. You know, I just try a bit of a rage bait, really. And the title of the video is Get Rich Overnight. And within a few hours, it's had nearly 1,000 views, which, you know, I was expecting 30, 40 views. It's insane. I think people will literally believe anything. We know it's not going to happen. not really much we can do yet, guys, until this US Open calms down. Everything up with a pump there. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come back down. Be very surprised if that carries on.
You on the west side. She said that she won't roll with me. I told her let's ride. Tell me, girl, what do you fantasize about? All I wanna be is the top prize. Top prize. Oh my God. Top prize.
See, they've still got this 618 there, which I would have liked to have seen tapped. But a fair value gap there. It's almost as if it would need to come back into there. I'm just so surprised this did this. But this was the fake out. And I think people are going to be in the same assumption as me that this is going to go up over 4,300. So when this has started going, I got a feeling that some people might have jumped in a bit too late for it to come back down and test this zone. So I'm not going to be going into a long on gold until we get down around here. Yeah, I don't think it's not ideal, guys, but the way that we've had that pump there, it's gone up so quick on everything. Bitcoin, gold, you know, you look at NAS. What did I have for 29,120? Look at that. It's gone from 29,204. I did have a zone for 29,165. So we came down into my zone that I've had written down, and off it's gone. These moves, guys, unless it's news driven, unless some, you know, sort of catalyst, it's not sustainable. So this has gone up so fast here on gold. I don't believe that it's going to get up over this 4,300 mark without actually coming down, you know, possibly even all the way back down here. You know, like that area there. What the?
I swore I'd block your number for good, but here you are texting me you up. I know exactly where this is, on your side of the bed at 3 a.m. I tell myself don't fall this time, but you say my name and I lose my mind.
Yeah, everything got away from us, guys. If you haven't, guys, do me a favour and jump onto the videos I posted lately and just give them a little like. Everything got away from us. The DAX, gold. I think to justify selling gold back down to my area, we're going to need to be ideally up further, but just above here. Fib 38 sells.
Yeah, I don't really know how to feel about you, girl. I've been stuck in my head and I don't know what to do. How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me, girl? It's how we used to be. It's how we used to be.
Let's do that.
Woke up in the bitch like, what's up? Haven't seen your face in 2 months. Now I did that shit not just once. Yeah, do you notice me anymore? Girl, you know we've been here before. Girl, quit the act and live with me. And we both know it's no secret now. You got my head on the ground, oh, oh. You got it all. Can't you see? You were made for me. You were made for me at all. Give it up, 'cause I know that you're not satisfied at all. Can we talk about the way that you just pushed me against the wall? Oh, said enough, 'cause I know you like to lie to me, girl. 'Cause I just wanna know, 'cause I just wanna know.
How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me, girl?
But guys, I'm just going to go and do a few bits I need to do when we're waiting on these zones. There's nothing that we can do at the minute. I'm hoping Bitcoin comes back down. I got took out break even on our well, I clicked break even, it's took me out minus 58. This again was break even here, but it just takes little bits off. We had some good wins on here yesterday. 500 there, 100, 300. We had a couple of those 1,000 ones. So we've got nothing open on there on our challenge account. Bitcoin, I'm just hoping for it to come back down. I wouldn't re-enter now. It's took me out break even. I'm still in it on my live account. So you guys know where we need to be. We've got our sell zone. We've got our buy zone. Looks like our sell zone might hit first, to be honest. But it could just fall from you. Make it a bit more dramatic for you. Right, guys, I'm just going to go and do a few bits I need to do when we're waiting because there's nothing to do. My alerts will come off. Oh, no, we're getting there. Right, okay. Guys, I'm just going to set the trade up ready. Or is it looking too bullish now? Four, 2, 8, 5. 4, 2, 1, 5. We'll be risking 250 on it. Call it the DXY, guys. Hey, hello mate. You've been quiet. We've got a couple of zones, mate. This morning I put in the Discord that I like this zone here, and look, it front ran me. So we were looking at around 4225, and it went from 4230, and it's been as high as 4275. So it's made a fool of me, to be honest. But this year, I don't think, so if we look, I don't think that they're going to go over 4003 without coming down a bit lower. Take this bottom wick out maybe and go. So it makes sense for it to come back down. But again, you know, why have we not taken these wicks? For that $10 move that I've been banging. Do you know what, mate? I haven't bothered with esports for a little while. Not for news in particular. I've been putting a lot of attention into this what if token. Did you see that? We went from 750,000 market cap up to 38 million. We're consolidating now, we're at a massive correction at the moment. But you've got a blow-through listing coming tomorrow. Oh, you want a limit order? Yeah, I would break even at 4275, and it's up to you. If it was me, I think I'd want to be taking 50% of it. We've got this bearish fair value gap here, but it doesn't make sense for it to just come up and touch twice and drop. If it's going to be a big drop, I do believe it's going to come back down and take this zone down here. You know, I was expecting and hoping for a nasty wick up, and then we start falling, then form a bit of a structure. Like silver's going back up now, see, so yeah, I'll definitely be break even, mate. And if it was my trade, if I'd have taken it already without another fake out and liquidity grab, I would be taking 50%. You've won the trade then, you break even and you've won the trade. See, we want, when we take this trade, we want DXY to be flying. So this is telling me that this is going to go back up, you know, so we are going back up here now. I think we're going to come back up and touch here. Now that I'm watching, I can move that because guys, if you haven't, drop a like on the live for me, please. But guys, like I said, I've got this trade set up ready. Stop loss is going to have to go above the highest wick, 4285.5. I'm just putting the take profit just in here at 4215 for now. Obviously we'll manage a trade because we're live. We've got no trades open at the moment. Don't know why I've been having that so small. I've been doing that for days. Flying down now. So congrats mate with taking that sell. I wasn't fast enough. I was about to I was prepared to go and leave the room for a bit, wasn't I? We might have missed that one, guys. Jesus, look at that. %40 move on a one candle, 5 minute. That's crazy. Oh, we got to this the other day, guys, didn't we? We got into this at 2.4 and a bit, and now look at this. Look, when I exited, like I said, I just had something come over me. So we could have even just went break even on it. But I just wanted to exit all my longs. I just had something was telling me to exit, and I was profitable on it. But we would have been 16%. Do you know what, mate? I have not looked at SpaceX once. It's 2 manipulated.
I can feel your body resting on my chest. I guess that my shoulder is all you get. When you moved around, yeah, that's where it all fell. Go to the ground, babe. And you like to move in silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. Who said we can't forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to cut all of the strings that get attached, and you make sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you say your name, say your name. I remember for some Medicare. Love the way you say your name, say your name. You like to move in silence, baby, so do I.
Oh,
Could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do
see, guys, I'm gonna
you.
call it that we come up. I don't know if it's gonna go that high. Whether it does, might be a sharp wick up trap. Yeah, look at this coming up here now. So if someone's seen this start dropping here, okay, now let's say people are watching on a 3-minute candle, starts dropping there, okay, now most people would jump in there. I can't imagine them wanting to have this stop. So what are we looking at? You know, nearly a 200, so we're looking at 180 pip stop loss to be above this candle. I can't imagine people doing that. So if they've got in here, they've started seeing it drop, got in there, they probably just put their stop maybe even above there or above here. And what's going to happen? They're going to come back because they're not ready. They haven't grabbed this liquidity up here. They're going to come back, take that out, poof, and then probably fly down. I think if this zone works out, it's going to be a crazy sell. So I would say you want to get your trade set up, guys, just in case. Let's have a look what it's like on our chart here. So the highest wick, 286 then. Yes, mate. I only just have to just set some things up with the phone, the camera and stuff, so yeah, it's all sorted. I feel like, because given the time of the day, the fact that it's had such a big push up, like I said, on my zone all day, I've been down lower. It's got to here. So when it got to there, why is that there now? How do I move this?
I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying what I put you through.
So basically, we had that impulse mover on market open, which, no, 86, mate. I think if it closes, if we get a 5-minute candle close above 427.708, I think it's going higher. It's going up to your 4.3. What did I have? Yearly open. Yearly open 4320, which I think is going to be an easy profit aim for us. See, we're coming back now. So 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here now. So I think entry is going to be very close to around here. Silver's still going. DXY's fallen. So we want DXY to turn bullish again. And then we'll be looking, like I said, 4286 is going to be a stop loss. I've got the trade set up here, 4286, aiming for around 4215 as a profit target. Now it might not go that low, but we're going to manage to trade live.
She like her look glamorous and that's just the way it goes. Now we at the hotel, wanna take off her clothes. I'm hoping she won't talk cause I wanna lay low. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. Cause I wanna lay low. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. Cause I wanna lay low. She acts so nice to me, but I know her heart is froze. My shit's so righteous, but I know it's like she chose. Now we in the VIP, so don't you get too close. She wants a week for me, I need to get my dose. And I got myself too far top of the Uber, then relax. She called me, hit me up, I'm telling her, bitch, relax. Cause I'm throwing up to the sig right now. Wake up and I'm upside down. Well, it's just the way it goes.
See guys, it's coming back up to this zone there, which is fib 38 sells on a small fib. Yeah, get ready, guys. I think we're going to give this a go. It's risky. Right, DXY is flipping there, guys. Silver should start flipping. We could have had a better entry. So you want a best entry, guys, if we're going to give it a go, so that we're taking a trade together. Again, it could just straight away. You're going to be looking around 4286 as your stop loss. Look, let's not all use the same. If we're all taking the same trade, you know, they're going to see it. They're going to come and snap it with a wick. But I feel like as if we could get a 500 pip move here if this goes the way I think it's going to go, because I can't see it. I can't see it getting above the early open without taking that liquidity a little bit lower down. I just missed it by a couple of pips. So we're going back up now. So we're testing this zone again. So what I like about it as well is it's not as if it's down here doing this consolidating on a buy zone. If it was doing that, then we'd be thinking it's a bit more risky. This here is our sell zone. Okay, so this is our sell fit. We're going through it, we're testing it, and eventually we are going to be... So guys, we've got 3 minutes until the 5-minute candle close, and I think we need to wait for that regardless. I think we wait for that. Yeah, guys, so I put a video out on YouTube, a long form video about the competition on Evercrest. So it's a free competition. All you have to do is sign up. You don't have to buy anything. You enter the competition. They give you $100,000 account to trade with. I did check it this morning though to see the leaderboard, and some absolute header has got 180% profit in first place. So he's made $180,000 on top of the 100. So I'm not winning that, you know. You've got second place 9%, third place 8%, and I'm on 3.5%, I think. So it's a bit of fun though. Right. The 5-minute candle's closed. Guys, I'm going to give it a go here. I'm risking $250. Stop loss 4286. And I'm in. So guys, I am in that trade, and we will just leave it up to the market makers. Now we're in the trade. Obviously guys, if you can get a better entry, great. What did I get in? I'm in at 71.5, which is not a great entry by any means. Guys, did anybody take it yet? Anyone in? Put your entries in the chat for me, just so I know where you've got in.
Me leva pra longe, longe sem pensar. Teu toque me prende, faz meu mundo girar. No ritmo do vento, começo a levitar. Não sei se é destino, mas quero continuar. As ondas batem no meu peito sem parar. Quando chega perto não sei nem respirar. Tua sombra dança no meu corpo devagar. A noite chama, vem comigo se soltar. Teu calor me muda, me deixa em febre. Quando vejo a luz em você tudo desce. O som me empurra, o tempo não mede. Só vem comigo antes que isso aconteça.
Right, we're in there, guys. Let me know if anyone took it. Let me know your entries. $4277. Wow. What an entry. 4265 Lee. Did you get in earlier before we said? Come on, let's go. Silver's looking perfect, guys. That was fantastic patience, guys, waiting. 4273, wow. Brilliant entry, mate. DXY is flying. Silver's coming down nicely. Gold's coming down. Nice. Right. What did I get in? 71 and a bit. Oh, we've got a bearish fair value gap there. Silver's still coming down. Might have a little bit of resistance here now. DXY is absolutely flying, guys. Look at that. Wow. Guys, so I know you want to watch a chart there. Patience. We needed the patience there. We needed the final confirmation. We needed everything to be lining up. We had the zone there. We touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times and we have blown down. So guys, I think we need to go break even with this just because this market has been manipulating us here. So I'm going break even. So guys, the reason I'm break even here now, right, it might take us out of the trade and I would look to re-enter. That is that's a nice zone. You know, we could just be ranging for a while, for an hour or so. We could just mess around in this area before the real move happens. So I'm still bullish on gold, but you know, we check this oscillator here. We've got a downward reversal print there. You know, that to me, look at this. It's just up to grab later entries, possibly. And like a lot of the times I've looked at this and I've gone break even and it's taken me out, the trade still then doesn't reach my stop loss and it does work out. But those times that it doesn't, you know, it's about protecting capital. We had a DAX trade this morning and a gold trade this morning which paid us, you know, so let's just not risk for nothing. everything looked perfect for yeah, you got a banging break even, Rich, fair play. Right, we're out, guys, break even. It is going to mess with us today. So obviously our entry was down here. So we look at 72. So Furio should still be in. So this trade may still work out for the guys that has not been taken out break even, but it's taken me. This goes, guys, this is going to be a banging trade. Yeah, NASDAQ sliding, mate. I wasn't expecting that open to open as harsh as it did, to be honest. Bitcoin's flying as well. Dow Jones has got to catch up at some point, but I'd like another trade on the DAX today, to be honest. So guys, we're coming back for another grab, so that should be, like I said, I'm out anyway. I'd like a grab around this 4275, another one. We've got the 1 hour close there now. No real reaction. Thing is, guys, if we wait for this here now and we actually do get this trade, the patience is going to have well paid off. Now, it'd be nice for us to go back up one more time, maybe a grab just above this yellow line, just so it's the highest grab, and then we can take it.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Yeah, baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T. Yeah, you show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she? Yeah, I'm just trying to know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Baby, don't you like, you know your body T. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she? Just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me. What you said to me doesn't even make sense. I'm telling you, you have to feel the music if you wanna dance. I just wanna take you out and go to essence, yeah, yeah. The way I feel your body, oh my, got me in a trance. The way you keep on looking at me, do you need a lens? I don't wanna feel like I'm the only one who cares. Baby, do you care? Baby, do you care? You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Yeah, baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T. Yeah, you show me your pretty girlfriend.
So we've done another grab there, guys. If you're still in, brilliant. I'm going to look for a re-entry. Anything above 4272.
Lucid days, I'm getting closer to unlock my consciousness. The poison's only building up my tolerance. We were never born to be the obvious, isn't it obvious? Time is slipping, dial spinning. I still wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe I'm the only one who's wide awake. Am I the only one?
Right, guys. I got a feeling this is just going to drop. Come on, just give me a little bit more. I want 4272. 4272 and I'll be in. The trade set up on here already. It's gonna go without me. But silver is pushing down. DXY is not. Come on, 4271 and I will take it. $300 for a grand. Right, DXY is looking bullish. Silver's going back up, so I might get this entry now. Right, 4270 and we're in. Right, silver's going. I'm in there, guys. So I'm back in. Worse entry than the first time, but $4268.9. And if I can get a better entry, then I will take it again. But I do think this trade is going to get us. Silver's looking good. DXY is looking very good. This should work here, guys. So what did I say? 4268.9. It's just flying on me. Yeah, it's having a bit of a pump again now. Yeah, I'm in one of the discords, and yeah, I think there's some big buys coming in, but I think some people held on. Well, I haven't sold any. I sold my initials, and I'm holding it till 150 mil market cap.
You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before.
So we're under the moving average here now. Come on. Right, silver is coming down. Right, guys, winning the trade. I'm going to go and get a drink a sec.
Shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you doing to me? Ice cold veins when you cut me deep, I'll bleed out. I feel like I'm losing it. Oh, why is it so hard for me to breathe now? Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I She laughed and said, that's funny though, we got a deal if you bring the music. We put our cups in the air like we don't care, like we in the 90s. Stars in the sky, I'm feeling so high, the lights on the screen are just blinding. I don't even care, caressing your hair, enjoying the night cause we vibing. Not worried about tomorrow at all, cause we gonna party to the sun. See you vibing with me, I just wanna see what's up. We just started dancing and I think I fell in love. We won't get this moment back, so please lift up my cup. Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you really wanna see the sun? I see you vibing with me, so what's up? We just started dancing, fell in love, but we don't have to do it if you don't want. Do you really wanna see the sun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun?
Come on, guys. Did you see my break-even call? So you should be break-even now. Could get a bit of resistance here. We've got a huge bearish fair value gap there now. Come on, this is looking good, guys. Silver's flown down. Come on. Nice, guys. Look at this. Look at the patience we've had there. We've been waiting for that trade for how long? I know we could have took that trade at 20 to 3. It's 20 past 4 now. UK time, obviously. Come on, look at this, guys. This is fantastic. If we guys, if you're happy, take some profits here. On my live account, I am taking some profits, just so you know. DXY is still flying.
I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You open up my scars.
Guys, I got a feeling this is going to be one of those trades where you think you wish you put 5 lots on. What a trade, guys. Right, I'm going to be taking some... 4-7, we need to take some profits. Hey Rich, have you seen that what if, that meme coin I've been putting out? Cash Cat is a weird sort of like rivaling with. They've just had a wick They just had a candle, a 4-hour candle that wicked from 110 million market cap to 212. Let's come back down. People buy now. So just to be clear, guys, on our trade, on our challenge account here, I probably should have went in with bigger size, but we had quite a big stop loss on this, so didn't. So I've not taken profits on Eurobrand break even. I have taken some profits on my live account. You know, we're on to, what do I need to get back to? 6-8. DXY is falling now, guys. This isn't a buy zone, so I just don't see. DXY is absolutely plummeting down. Dextrina on cash cat. Well, on a 3-minute candle, we've started green on DXY.
I wanna feel alone tonight. I wanna feel alone tonight.
Guys, when we're waiting for this, if you don't mind, just clicking onto some of my YouTube videos and maybe just leaving a comment on them, giving them a like, just so we can try building this. The more people we've got in our community putting ideas in, you know, when I'm, you know, eventually I will be traveling at some point, you know, when I'm flying, there'll be other people in there that we can chat to. Silver's falling again, guys. DXY is going back up. This was the trade, wasn't it? Taking us a couple of hours, but listen, I've got my live account on that there. Three, five, six. Done 1,000 on the live account on that trade. You know, so far it's not done. I've taken 356.50 from this trade that I'm break even. So if this trade goes back up and takes me out break even, I've made 350 from the trade. You know, I close everything now and win $1,000, but silver's falling, which is good.
Like I'm chasing the sun, and all my fears are on the run. Can take my freedom, now you can take my freedom. It's like I'm walking on water, and all the waves don't even bother. Listen to my kingdom, and you can take my freedom. It's like I'm chasing the sun, and all my fears are on the run. Can take my freedom.
Oh, look at this, guys. Come on! But guys, I said around 47 to take some profits. Silver is falling. DXY is pumping. So, guys, well done. What a trade. This could go down to our long zone. Oh, look at this, guys. Silver is absolutely falling. DXY is pumping. Right, taking a bit of profit there, guys. So on this challenge, this free challenge, guys, for the competition, I put it on 0.75 lots. So it's 1,600 profit on that one. So just to be clear, guys, you should have taken some profits now. I've taken, as you just seen, I took some on our challenge account there. I've left some in. But regardless, if this comes back and takes us out break even, I'm still 2,700 up on this challenge. I'll need another 1,300. I've taken 1,000 on my live account. I've taken 850 on my live account, and I've left some running. Like, I still got this zone down here that I want tapped before we lift off. Guys, from who's watching now, it's possible that I might do the Asia Open. So that's going to be 2 AM UK time. So work that out where you are. Let me know whether that would suit anyone. I might go live for the Asia Open. I've not got much on tonight. I might go to sleep for a couple of hours and then get up and trade that. Oh, look how that close that came again. Also, guys, I haven't really got much on this weekend. My little girl is away on holiday, so on Saturday, I might do, if you all get back to me, let me know what sort of time suits you. Working up to the UK time, save me doing it. Might jump on for an hour, we'll just go over some bits and bobs. Maybe even do it as a Zoom through the Discord, where you guys can have a chat and, and chat to me. We can look at some altcoins. I've still got that bit funded, which I've not been doing too much with. I've got the breakout, which is funded. I'm not doing too much with that at the moment. Bitcoin's in the middle, isn't it? You know, I'm not risking that. Maybe even I've still got my 2-bit account has still got funds in there, margin available. I've just not been really using it. Got my U-bit. And yeah, guys, I know the majority. So I know the majority of you are in the Discord, but if you're not, I would definitely recommend jumping in there. It's less than $1 a day if you do it monthly. I might put another offer on of 399 for the lifetime, and then might do another one with like 229 for the year. But when Bitcoin reaches, guys, I've got funds set aside for when Bitcoin reaches where I believe to be the bottom, or not far away from the bottom. I'm going to be deploying some capital onto 2-3 times leverage on I've got a very professional list of what I want to do, and I'm going to be deploying some 3 times, 2 times leverage trades. Guys, if we can time this correctly, the next 6 months are going to be life-changing. I'm talking like, you put $100 on a coin at 300 times leverage, and it does a 200-300% pump. You're going to be looking, if we said, so if it had a 300 times pump, times your 30 times 300, you'd be looking at from putting 100 into one coin, making 9,000 profits. So, and that's just going off a 300% pump 30 times. Some of these coins I've got written down, I've got like 50 to 100 times in my mind as targets. So, we need to be chatting together, working together on it. So if you're not in our Discord, get in that Discord. Right, guys, not gonna be too much more we can do. This gold trade was an absolute banger, as you know. I feel like I need to shoot because I got things to do, but I'm just wondering how far this is gonna go. Is this gonna go down to where I wanted my entry? I had this too low, sorry. Wow, what a trade, guys. Congrats. I appreciate you trusting the patience, trusting the process. Silver is absolutely falling. DXY is back up. This is going to go down now. We're going to be getting to 3.5 on here. So I do it. Guys, was that worth the wait or was that worth the wait? Wow. So guys, I am going to close some of, I'm going to close 0.06 of this because we are coming to my zone now, which I've had as marked as a buy zone. So it'd be absolutely, I'm not going to say it's going to stop there, but it'd be silly for us to throw some profits away when that's all we've been waiting for, you know. Coming from this zone again.
GHV, it's broken.
What you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me or not? Going city to city and in places that you don't know. Yeah, I'm tired of sending these texts, I know you don't care about. I put it all on my chest, come on girl, let's air it out. But I know you on games, you're trying to play around. But I know you won't change, you wanna wait around. She don't know about you and I, but it's time to decide. Keep me close, eye for an eye, keep you right by my side.
Right, guys, that was an absolute banging trade. I'm going to call it there. There's not many of you, so I'm still in that trade. I want it to come down into my zone, and I want to see a bit of a reaction, a bit of a consolidation, something very similar to what happened up here. Listen, we just had an absolute banger trade. Like I said, we've obviously taken it here. If I take a little bit more of this, if I take 0.1, I'm going to leave it at that. No, partial again. I'm going to take another 0.01. So, is that still not giving me enough? So 52,983 is our balance there, 53,000 there, but obviously that's if I took everything now. Where do I want it to come? I only want it to come to there, which is another 190. Yeah, it's just another 100. So take another one, messing around here now, aren't I? There we are, 53,014. So we are just under, well, we're 1,000 away from passing this stage 1. I've been very slow doing this, as you know, but we're here now. I've had some other things on. The markets have been shitty, so let's do it. Silver's dropping again now. I'm expecting a bit more of a drop for us here. Let's put 4220. So regardless of what happens here, if I get taken all the way back up here to break even, I'm going to lose this $30, but I'm still going to land on 53,014. That is the minimum and the max. Well, the minimum I'm going to be on before our next trade. So I've got to do a couple of bits and bobs. I've got to have a quick shower. I don't need to leave the house for quite some time, but I do need to do a few things. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have some food, have a shower. If this starts coming back into my zone for the buy, it's going to need to hang around there like it did here, like I said, because we don't need to risk it for nothing. We don't need to risk it on one bounce because it could be a bit of a fake. We've had such a drop. What's going to happen? Someone sees a little bit of a push up, boom, everyone's going to top long it. Well, bottom long it, but you know what I mean. It's going to be a bit of a fake out. So I'm keeping open the trade for now. I'll go back live. I'll update you in the Telegram and the Discord if I do. If not, I'm going to do Asia open. And then we're going to do tomorrow US open again as well. Probably and possibly pre-market too.